Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, good day. Today we will continue our discussion on the we have go through about homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous equation, and today we'll go through to the method of variation of parameter. So what is method of parameter variation of parameter? The method method of variation of parameter. Method of variation of parameter. So to solve method of variation of parameter is to solve nonlinear, non-homogeneous second order differential equation. So the difference is a second order. So we will have this type of solution. We will have y and u y1 plus v y2. And then we have a function of u and function of v. And then y1, y2 are solution corresponding to associated homogeneous case. So we have this formula. So this formula, and we have this formula. So we need to integrate them. Alright. So we need to find the w. So how to find the w? So we can see here we have the determinant to find the w, which is, first of all, we have a equation, and then we determine the a function and the f function, and after that determine y1 y2 independent solution associated homogeneous. For this case is homogeneous. And then find the Rosquian w here by using this formula, and then find the value the function of u and v by integrate of this function. And then we use this formula to find the general solution. Okay, next. Okay, this is example. So for example, so we have here for example here. Okay, for example, this is variation parameter. This is method of variation parameter. Okay. So first of all, we will have the equation. So we will have a d square y over dx square plus b dy over dx plus cy equals to fx. So first of all, determine a and fx. 2 is y1 y2 homogeneous, and then we find the Wronskian w equals to y1 y2 y prime 1 y prime 2, and find the determinant here. And then number 4, find u and v, and then number 5 is general solution. So we will have u equals to u y1 plus v y2. Okay, for example, so we take one example, y a y double prime minus y prime minus 6y equals to e 3x. So first of all, we need to determine the a. What is a here? So what is a here? A is the coefficient of double prime here, so we will have 1. And then fx. What is fx? Fx, we have fx equals to e 3x. Okay, settle. And then second, find the homogeneous solution. So for this equation, we need to find the homogeneous equation. So for the homogeneous equation, previous lecture we will have how many solution, how many homogeneous equation we have. We have three type. Okay, so I put here homogeneous equation. Maybe we can change the color because it is a previous knowledge. Okay, homogeneous solution. So we have three type of homogeneous solution. So in general, we have m square plus bm plus c, and then times e mx equals to 0. And then we have first case is if the root of this, so this cannot be 0, so the possibilities of this equation to be 0 is this will be 0. So to find this roots to be 0, so they have a few roots, which is we have m1 not equals to m2, which is y1 equals to e mx1, and y2 equals to x e mx. So what we'll have, we will have the general solution for this case is y equals to a e m1 x plus b e m2 x. Okay, and the second case is if m1 equals to m2. The root is the same, so y1 we will have e mx, y2 we will have x e mx. This is m2. Okay, so the general solution we have y equals to a plus bx equal times e mx. Okay, and then c equals to complex number. So let's say m1 equals to alpha plus beta I, m2 equals to alpha minus beta I. So general solution kita ada y equals to c, y equals to e alpha x a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Okay, so in this solution, so we will use the formula of yc equals to, so yc equals to a y1 plus b y2. Okay, and then characteristic equation here is m square minus m minus 6 equals to 0. So we have m1 we have -2, m2 we have 3. So because of this not equal, so this meet to this solution, so we will have y equals to yc equals to a e -2x plus b e -3x. And then we need to find so y1 equals to e -2x, y2 equals to, so y1 equals to e -2x, y2 equals to e 3x. And there's no negative here. Okay, so now we need to find w, number 3, w. How to find w? So y1, y2, y1 prime, y2 prime, and then we find the determinant. Right, so we will have, so here y1 equals to e -2x, y1 prime, so we differentiate e -2x, so we will have -2x e -2x. Just copy paste, because if we have differentiate e fx, and then with respect to x, so we will have f prime x E fx. Just copy and paste. Alright. So next y2. y2 equals to e 3x. So y2 prime we have 3 e 3x. So we will have all this together. So e negative 2x e 3x, and then we have negative 2x e negative 2x 3e 3x. Okay, close it. Okay, so we will have, so we times this and we minus this one. Okay, this times. Okay, so we will have, okay, e negative 2x, okay, copy, times this 3e 3x minus, okay, minus negative 2x e negative 2x, and then times e 3x. And then we use the algorithm index law, which is we have if am times an, the same base here, and then we will have am minus plus n. So what should we do? We should simplify here. So we will have 3e 3x plus 3x, 2x, negative 2x plus 3x. So, and then here is minus minus, we have plus, so 2x, and then we will have this also times here. If 3 is inside here, is different, we just multiply, but it's outside here. So we will have negative 2x plus 3x. So we will have 3e x plus 2x e x. Okay. Okay. So here I made the mistake here, no x here, because I differentiate here. So there is no x. So there is no x, there is no x, there is no x. So we will have 5e x. Okay. And next, we need to put to the formula of u and v. U, we have negative integrate of what? Okay, integrate of y2. Okay, this formula they will given to you, and then aw dx plus a, and then we also will have v equals to integrate y1 fx over aw dx plus v. So we set out this first. So y2, what is y2 here? y2 equals to, so y2 equals to 3x, e 3x. y2, okay, integrate, copy, e 3x. fx, what is our fx? fx is e 3x also. Okay. And then what is A? A is 1. A is 1. Okay, here A is 1. A is 1. And then W. What is W? 5 times, or bracket, 5EX, close bracket, with respect to D, with respect to D, dx. And then we will have, we simplify first. We simplify first here. So how to simplify? So we will have negative integrate E3x. E3x still use the index law. So we will have E3x plus 3x. Okay. And then divide by 5EX dx. So we will have also index law AM over AN. So equals to AM minus N. So here we put E up there and the constant outside, so negative. So we will have negative 1 over 5 integrate of E 3x plus 3 3x plus 3x, so we have 6x, and then minus x to the dx. So what we will have, negative 1 over 5 integrate of E5x dx. So how to integrate this? So the formula to integrate of exponential, so integrate EFX dx. So you will have f prime x over E fx plus c. Okay, so now you will have, what is fx here? So fx here equals to 5x, f prime x equals to 5. So negative 1 over 5, and then we need to put at the below here. So f prime x equals to 5, so 5, and then E 5x plus c. C is A here. Okay. And then simplify again, negative E 5x over 25 plus A. So we solve for the U. Okay. And then we need to find V. Okay, we need to find V. We need to find V. So what is our Y1? Y1 is, sorry. Okay, integrate E negative 2x, and then times fx is E3x, A equals to 1, W equals to 5EX, and then dx. So now we simplify, so we can easy to integrate. So E negative 2x plus 3x over 5EX dx. So we apply the index law here. So we will have 1 over 5 integrate of E negative 2x plus 3x minus x. So dx, so we will have 1 over 5 integrate of E, so negative 3, so we will have 0. 0 dx. E to the power of 0, so e to the power of 0, e to the power of 0, we will have 1. So we will have 1 over 5 integrate of 1 dx. You akan dapat x over 5 plus. So we already have a, and then it is b here, a constant. So finally, once we already find the v, u, and then we complete the general equation, is y equals to u y1 plus v y2. So we will have negative 1 over 25 e 5x plus a, and then we have y1. So bracket e negative 2x plus v. What is v? V is 1 over 5x plus b e 3x. And then we simplify this equation, expand this equation. So we will have negative 1 over 25 e negative 2x plus 5x. Apply this plus a e negative 2x plus 1 over 5x e 3x plus b e 3x. So we will have negative 1 over 25 e 2 plus 5. So we will have 3x plus 1 over 5x e 3x plus a e negative 2x plus b e 3x. Okay, so finish. Okay, that is similar to the cosine and anything lah. So next, so there is the method of variation of parameter, and then so you can use this for your final, because in the final they will ask you to use this method to find the general solution. Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you.